Hi ma'am, good morning. Can you tell me about yourself?
I'm Julian Marie T. Davin, 25 years old, single mom.
Okay, so where do you live ma'am?
I live in Bulwa, Cagayan de Oro City, Marsamis Oriental.
So since you're a single mother, so I assume that you already have a child ma'am, right?
Yes,
So how old is your child ma'am?
5 years old.
Okay, so how many siblings do you have?
Four, and I am the second one of the family.
Okay, so can you tell me about your educational background?
I am senior high graduate at Bulwa National High School and major of academic business management.
So what is the reason why you did not finish your study ma'am?
Because of financial problem.
Okay, do you have work experience abroad?
No, but I have two years experience here in Philippines.
Okay, so can you tell me the year ma'am you've started here in the
Year
Philippines?
2021 to year 2023.
Okay, so what is your duties and responsibilities at that time, ma'am?
Being a good employee, I am a flexible, loyalty, and honest.
So, can you tell me, ma'am, your duties before? Like, what is your job?
Doing cooking, preparing food for the children, and also ironing and wash dishes, anything that I can offer to the employer.
Okay, so anything that requires.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
So, since you told me that you are taking care of the children of your employer, so how old are they, ma'am?
They are 18 and 4 years old.
Okay, so do you also accompany the 4 years old to school or not yet?
No, mom, not yet, mom.
Since the child is not yet going to
Yes.
school. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So, how would you describe yourself?
For me, I know that I am a good employer and I am a loyal and also a good worker and I'm honest.
So, do you have any tattoo in your body?
No, mom.
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
No, mom.
So, why do you want to work abroad, ma'am?
I want to work abroad to support my family for their financial needs.
Okay. So, are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, mom.
How about big dogs, ma'am?
Not really.
Not
but,
really, but you have experience taking care of pets?
Yes, mom, but small dogs only.
Okay. So, can you give me your idea how can you take care of one of the children and children with tantrums?
I will take care of them and calmly say to them and play with them games to make them to calm themselves.
Okay. So, what is your message to your future employer, ma'am?
To my future employer, I will promise that I will do my duties and to be a good worker to you, and I will listen to you and I will obey your rules, and I hope we see you soon.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.